Hi everyone, this is part 2 of my beauty tips and I just have a few more tips to share with you. Keep watching to the end. I have 5 more tips to share. So here's a few tips that your dermatologist might not share with you, and I'm here to help you have your best looking skin that you can get. So you always want to make sure your skin is properly moisturized. Moisturizing is really important in order to keep the hydration under the skin and keep it looking healthy. Even those of you who have oily skin, you also need a moisturizer. Specific ones, of course, there's different combinations you can buy and that can treat your skin specifically. So it doesn't matter your skin type, you do need a moisturizer. Be sure to get it fragrance free. That way you can avoid any kind of irritations. You want to change your pillowcase at least once a week. You can spend up to 8 hours a night laying on your pillow on your face with your hair. So you want to change that once a week to keep your skin as vibrant as possible. Next is try to keep your stress low. I know stress is hard to avoid. We all have a certain amount of stress in life, but if you can try to slow it down, please do that because it's really important in order to keep our skin looking healthy. Our body, our mind, our skin, everything is very important when it comes to stress. It is easier said than done, but losing control of your emotions can actually cause a lot of stress to the body. You need to try and find something to help you relax, maybe a few minutes a day. Try some meditation, some reading, find a nice quiet corner just to close your eyes, and hopefully that can help relax your nerves if you're the nervous type, because stress is not good for anything. And by relaxing and easing your stress, you will notice less breakouts in the skin and you will also have some clearer pores. Next thing, this has become a huge thing due to the virus, the epidemic that we all know is happening all around the world. By the way, I hope you're all safe and sound in your homes. Those of you who are in front lines, I thank you very much. We all appreciate that. Everybody's thinking of you and we hope for you to stay safe as well. This one is going to be something that we're all learning, especially now, but it's never been good for us to be touching our face. We do this so many times a day without even thinking about it or realizing that we're touching our face with our dirty hands. Due to the virus, we've become very aware of it and we are practicing this as we speak. Touching your face can cause bacteria and germs to enter your pores and then creating blemishes, breakouts, etc. You want to do your best to not touch your face as much as possible, not only for germs, but the healthier skin. Next, sit in the shade. We all know going in the sun damages the skin, long-term, short-term. Short-term, you can get sunburns and sun damage from that. You can get sunspots and surface wrinkles to the skin. Not only that, but something even more dangerous like skin cancer. So you really want to add in sunscreen into your daily routine. I did mention that in the last video as well. Sunscreen is super important. So if you're in the sun a lot, please make sure that you add that into your daily routine. So I hope you enjoyed my tips. I'm gonna have more to come, and you all have a great day and stay safe. I hope you subscribe to my video. If you need anything or have any questions, feel free to contact me, lc@hyaluron-kween with a k.com. You can reach me there by email. And take care of yourselves. Have a good day, guys. Bye.